Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. What if I told you Fujifilm is on the brink of releasing a camera that could redefine professional photography? The rumors surrounding the Fujifilm GFX3 have sent shockwaves through the industry, promising a game-changing leap in both medium format and professional imaging. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know about this potential marvel. From revolutionary specifications to the expected release date and pricing, we'll uncover why this camera could be a major turning point for photographers. A sensor like no other. The heart of the GFX3 is its rumored 120-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, measuring an impressive 43.8 by 32.9 millimeters. But this isn't just about boasting higher megapixels. It's about redefining what's possible. With this resolution, you could theoretically produce gallery-quality prints over 6 feet tall while retaining stunning sharpness. Imagine capturing a single wedding dress shot, then zooming in to display intricate lace details without losing quality. Perfect for wedding albums or fashion spreads. The GFX3 promises to make medium-format cameras even more versatile, blurring the line between professional and ultra-high-end photography. Processing power beyond expectation. The next-generation X Processor 6 is shaping up to be a game-changer. It's not just an incremental update. It's a complete overhaul. Reports suggest a 40% increase in processing power, enabling continuous shooting modes with full autofocus tracking while maintaining impressive noise reduction and accurate color reproduction. For fashion photographers or event shooters, this translates to seamlessly capturing fast-paced action. This processor promises to deliver whether it's a runway model under challenging lighting or a wildlife subject in motion. Unmatched viewfinder technology. The GFX3 will reportedly feature a $10.5 million electronic viewfinder with a 120Hz refresh rate. This offers a viewing experience so smooth it rivals optical viewfinders. The lag and stuttering often associated with traditional EVFs could be a thing of the past, making it easier than ever to track subtle movements, like a bride's expression during a ceremony or fleeting wildlife gestures. Video capabilities. A new era. When it comes to video, the GFX3 sets the bar high with 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. This isn't just about higher resolution. It's about future-proofing your content. For commercial videographers, capturing footage at 4 times the detail of 4K ensures your projects remain cutting-edge for years to come. Wedding filmmakers will appreciate the ability to crop into wide shots while retaining full 4K resolution for final edits. Next-level image stabilization. The GFX3 will reportedly include a 6-axis in-body image stabilization system, IBIS, combining rotational and shift stabilization. This means photographers can shoot handheld at shutter speeds up to 5 stops slower than normal. Whether capturing dimly lit interiors or shooting street photography at dusk, sharpness will no longer require a tripod. Autofocus. Smarter and faster. Fujifilm is raising the bar with dual-pixel artificial intelligence autofocus. This system doesn't just detect faces. It understands and predicts subject movement. Wildlife photographers can use cameras to track a bird in flight and anticipate its trajectory. Portrait photographers can rely on precise focus even during dynamic shoots, ensuring no fleeting expression is missed. Revolutionary variable ND filter. A built-in variable neutral density filter with 16 stops of light control is set to change how photographers balance exposure in complex lighting. Real estate photographers will appreciate the ability to shoot luxury homes without external filters or complicated HDR setups. Architectural photographers can achieve stunning exposures of reflective surfaces like glass and metal with seamless touch adjustments. A display designed for professionals. The GFX3 features a 4-inch, 3 million dot fully articulating touchscreen with advanced micro-LED technology. This innovation provides superior brightness and color accuracy, making it easy to review images under bright sunlight. For on-location commercial shoots, this eliminates the need for external monitors. The articulation system uses a reinforced hinge mechanism rated for over 200,000 actuations, ensuring reliability even under heavy use. Weather sealing for extreme conditions. Fujifilm's revamped weather sealing is designed for durability. The body is reportedly constructed with triple-sealed gaskets and fluorine-coated rubber compounds. The camera is expected to function in temperatures as low as -10 degrees Celsius and as high as 40 degrees Celsius, withstanding humidity up to 85%. Landscape and adventure photographers can shoot confidently in sandstorms, rain, or Arctic conditions. File handling and storage. The GFX3 will likely support dual card slots for CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2 cards, with CF Express slots accommodating up to 4 TB of storage. The processor can write files at 1.7 GB per second, meaning even 120 MP RAW files, 200 MB each, won't overwhelm the buffer. This ensures seamless bursts of up to 40 RAW images, ideal for fashion and action photographers. Advanced battery and connectivity. A new AI-driven battery learns your shooting habits to optimize power distribution. With 50% charging in just 30 minutes using gallium nitride (GaN) technology, photographers can recharge quickly between sessions. Connectivity is another highlight, with Wi-Fi 6E enabling transfers at 2.4 GB per second, dual USB-C ports for simultaneous charging and tethering, and voice control for hands-free operation, perfect for wildlife photographers in blinds. Pricing and release. Fujifilm is expected to price the GFX3 between $8,000 and $9,000, which, while substantial, undercuts competitors offering similar features. This could redefine value in the high-end medium format market. Based on Fujifilm's release patterns, we may see an announcement in late 2026 or early 2027. Final thoughts. The Fujifilm GFX3 isn't just another camera. It's a potential revolution. With groundbreaking features like a 120 MP sensor, advanced autofocus, unparalleled stabilization, and professional-grade video capabilities, it's poised to challenge the boundaries of medium-format photography. This camera could appeal to a wide range of professionals, from fashion and wedding photographers to wildlife and landscape artists. If Fujifilm delivers on these rumors, the GFX3 could be the most significant medium-format release in the last decade. What excites you most about the GFX3? Would you consider adding it to your professional kit? Let us know in the comments.